Want to create a stunning liquid glass effect in DaVinci Resolve? You are in the right place. In just few clicks, I will show you how to make your footage look mesmerizing. Stay tuned and let's get creative. Now go to the effects, search for Fusion Composition. Drag drop to your timeline. Now open in the Fusion page. Go to Media Pool and drag down your media. Now press Shift plus space and search for a node displace. Add it and connect its output to the media out. Now drag down a first noise node and connect its output to the foreground of displace. Now add a rectangle marks on first noise. Now adjust its height, width and corner radius. Now select the first noise and adjust its detail to 0.0 and brightness to 0.5. Now go to displace and adjust its offset to minus 0.35, refraction strength 1.14, light power 9.0, light angle 315 and spread to 2.79. Now right click on the center and click on expression. Now pressing Ctrl, select the displace and rectangle and drag the plus icon to the rectangle node and connect to the center. Now connect the output of the rectangle marks to the displace. Now select the media and add a prism blur node. Now go to the inspector tab and right click on the position and go to expression and pressing Ctrl select the prism blur and rectangle. Now drag drop the plus icon to the rectangle and connect to the center. Now adjust the blur strength to 0.3. Now connect the output of rectangle marks to the prism blur. Now you can rotate or move the rectangle marks to create the effect wherever you want to see it. And if you want to change the background, simply change the media in. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Now see you in the next video.